What I can tell you is Clutter Clarity is powered by Mr. Floor. Mr. Floor cleaning products are all non-toxic and environmentally safe, and you can learn more at MrFloor.com. It's all yours. The floor is yours.
Earlier in the day, that's so aggressive. Earlier in the show, I was talking about we all have things that we can't get rid of. And so I brought in for show and tell this little mini Tupperware container.
That's a coin holder.
It's a, it was a gift
pill holder.
from my Tupperware lady when I ordered some things. So she puts this, and I'm like, oh, this is so cute.
Well, she went all out on you, I see.
Oh, that's for the Barbie doll collection. For the Barbie dolls,
right.
That's their.
No need to be rude, Rich.
That thing's like so tiny.
High five me on that one, Rich. Woo!
It's one of their classics. It's a classic little gift from Jake. Any of you guys have like a secret mob who would handle some issues for me?
What are you saying? Just because they're union guys?
That had nothing to do with it because they're big, tough guys.
Oh, because he's named Jake.
Oh, anyway. So I have this cute little Tupperware container, and it's adorable.
But what can you use it for?
You could use it for lots and lots of Advil. I should just call this the Mighty House Relief Basket. Yeah. So there are things you could use. Oh, if you have a little salad and you put your little salad dressing in there to go, so the salad doesn't.
That's like one spoonful.
Anyway, the point of this is we all have.
Could you make
things...
Jell-O shots if you had a lot of those?
We all have things that we can't get rid of in our house.
Yeah.
And this is adorable and it's new and
you can't get rid of it?
I can't get rid of it.
Okay.
But there are reasons or there are things that we could do to talk ourselves into getting rid of things. And I have a list here of many reasons. Oops.
Yeah. Okay.
That you could think of that would help you make getting rid of things easier. That was very awkward. Okay. Keeping things keeps you from having that clear and clutter-free home. Clutter? You've got me all discombobulated.
What? We haven't said anything.
You haven't said anything? First, he insulted my Tupperware lady.
No, he didn't insult her.
Yeah, he did.
Well, he said she was being kind of cheap.
Exactly.
I guess that would be maybe.
1.4 million Americans suffer from chronic hoarding and clutter.
How many?
1.4 million Americans.
Well, that's not too bad.
Yeah, it is.
So why do we
There's 300 million people in the U.S.
According to a study conducted by a Boston marketing firm, the average person will burn 55 minutes a day looking for things. So if you keep all the clutter in your house, things that you don't really need.
Yeah. Then you don't have to look for them.
True.
If you don't have anything in your house and you can't look for it.
Exactly. If you don't have a lot of clutter in your house, it's easier to find things where they belong, put everything in its place. Then you're not wasting, on average, 55 minutes a day looking for things.
Got it.
According to statistics pulled by the National Association of Professional Organizers, 80% of what we own, we never use. 80% of what we own, we never use. So go through your house and really look at what you never use. Okay, so I can donate this to a charity like Goodwill, or I can give this away to one of the callers at 877-711-5611 who could really use a little mini Tupperware container, and you have to tell me what you're going to use it for, and then you can have this cute pink purple little mini Tupperware
caller number
877-711-5611. If nobody calls, guess who gets it? Jake.
Jake
gets it. Okay.
80%. Dry.
Yeah. No, he's in the union. He's got to take those tinkle tests, so he can't do that.
Of what we own, we never use. Think about that. Go through your house and think about it. According to, again, the National Association of Professional Homeowners, getting rid of clutter will reduce...
Home organizers.
What did I say?
Homeowners. Home organizers.
I'm sorry. Organizers. Getting rid of clutter will reduce housework by 40%. So that's another good reason to get rid of things
faster
like
to dust because there's less stuff to go around.
Yeah, and the Roomba doesn't run into anything then.
Can I just say, Rich, you're just Nancy negative today.
I'm playing God tomorrow. I'm going to end it all.
What did you say?
I'm playing God tomorrow.
On Mike Novak's show. He's playing God, so then he's going to end it all tomorrow.
Don't make light of things. Okay. About 23% of people pay late fees on bills because they cannot find the bills.
Okay.
So again, this is going to save you money. It'll save you on your bills by getting rid of all the extra clutter in your house. You can make money. We've talked many times about garage sales, real garage sales, virtual garage sales, bidding sites, eBay, Etsy, places that you can sell your items. So you can make money by getting rid of items. Okay, I've gotten through 6 of like 25.
We didn't interrupt you once for
Bull
any of the
crap.
Like 3 or 4 times.
Crap.
We never interrupted you. We'll be back right after this.
This is Mighty House. Mighty House will return.